Hello everyone and welcome back to Thailand Explorer. Make sure you watching till the end to see these amazing facts about Pattaya. 1. Pattaya is a great base for island hopping. Small offshore islands with soft sand beaches, clear water, and stunning coral can be found everywhere around Pattaya. Koh Lan, the main island, Koh Sak, and Koh Krok are three near islands that are only around 7 kilometers, 4.3 miles, from Pattaya. The main island of Koh Phi, Koh Man Wichai, Koh Hu Chong, and Koh Klung Badan are referred to as the distant islands. Koh Rin is a coral island that is uninhabited and is located 14.7 miles, 24 kilometers, off the coast of Pattaya. 2. Pattaya was formerly known as Tapaya. Pattaya was formerly known as Tapaya. After traveling from Ayutthaya to Chanthaburi in 1767, the army of Freya Tak, King Taksin, the king of Siam, slept in this city. As Nai Klam attempted to halt their march, Freya Tak came face to face with him at this location. However, Nai Klam gave up to Freya Tak, and the two of them then engaged in combat. Later, the city was given the name Thap Freya, although some residents referred to it as Tapaya. Later, the name was altered by officials to Pattaya, which is simpler to say. 3. Pattaya is Thailand's 10th largest city. In the Chonburi province of Thailand, Pattaya is a city located on the east coast of the Gulf of Thailand. It is around 100 kilometers, 62 miles, southeast of Bangkok, the country's capital. Pattaya will have a population of 97,296 in 2022. According to population, it is the 22nd largest city in the nation. It is the 10th largest city in the nation with a total size of 53.4 square kilometers, 20.6 square miles. 4. Pattaya is a well-known golfing location. Thailand's Pattaya is a highly well-liked location to play golf because it has more than 20 courses. Golf enthusiasts have a variety of options in the area, from elite 5-star resorts to affordable greens. In the city, golf has a long history. The first course opened in Source Bangpra in 1958. 5. Pattaya enjoys tropical weather. The tropical climate of Pattaya comprises wet and dry seasons. December through February is the hot and dry season, while March and April are when it gets hot and muggy. Between May and November is the humid and rainy season. The best months to visit Pattaya are November through February since the weather is typically dry and temperate. However, this is the busiest travel period, thus the majority of beaches and popular attractions are crowded with tourists. 6. During the Vietnam War, Pattaya tourism became famous. Pattaya was a fishing community up until the 1960s, but American soldiers serving in the Vietnam War frequented Pattaya to unwind. A sizable contingent traveled from the Thai Army post at Korat in 1959. At the southern end of the beach, now known as the Strip, these soldiers rented homes from Freya Sunthorn. Because the American military adored Pattaya so much, they encouraged others to go there as well. As a result of their recommendations, tourism grew. 7. The 18th tallest structure in Thailand is located in Pattaya. The Reflection Jomseon Beach oceanfront is the tallest structure in Pattaya. This skyscraper ranks as the 18th tallest building in the nation in addition to being the tallest structure in the city. The 57-story building is 234 meters, 768 feet, tall and overlooks Jomseon Beach. The Magnolias Waterfront Residences Iconseum in Bangkok, which is 318 meters, 1,043 feet tall and has 70 stories, is the highest structure in Thailand. Remember to subscribe and like this video for more explores. Thanks so much for watching and see you in this next video.